Welcome to this installation video for the Peak Aluminum Railing pre-assembled railing system. Whether you're a homeowner or contractor, this sleek powder-coated system is fast to install, rust-resistant, and made to impress, and is available in 36-inch and 42-inch heights. Please check your local building codes for the appropriate height for your area. Here's what you'll need to get started. With 4 posts to choose from, start by positioning the posts and install the first post. Then position the second post based on your panel width. Measure the opening and cut the pre-assembled panel to size if needed. Install the base rail support in the center of your rail. Insert one end of the panel into the first post and fasten it securely. Connect the other end of the panel into the second post and secure it in position. Center the base rail support and screw it down into the deck surface. Finish off with post base covers for a clean, professional look. Then repeat these steps to complete the railing installation. Stair railing is installed in a similar way. First, adjust the panel to the angle of your stairs. Position the bottom stair post and cut the rail panel to fit between the posts. Position and attach the stair rail brackets. Then place the stair rail in position and fasten together. Now, install the stair railing bracket covers and fasten the post to the ground. Complete the installation with post base covers. Peak Aluminum Railing pre-assembled railing is the perfect finishing touch to any deck or patio. For more information, visit peakproducts.com or your local Home Depot.